Hi, this is a team from Andhra University College of Engineering. We are here to present you a project on wireless irrigation system. This is Joanne, Aishwarya, and Prasoon, Reshma, and I am Nitesh. We are the team. So this is the wireless irrigation system project.
This is the wireless field irrigation system. This is the 9 volts battery which powers the whole system over here. This is connected to the voltage regulator, which gives only 5 volts power to the whole system. This is the power LED which glows when the power is on. And this is the humidity sensor, and this is the temperature sensor. These are connected to the LEDs. When the temperature is above 45 degrees, the LED linked to the temperature sensor will glow, and when the humidity is about 50%, the LED linked to that particular sensor will glow.
The output of these sensors are connected to the MSP430, and this MSP430 is connected to a relay driver which is connected to the DC motor. Now let us see the working of the system.
Let us see the working of our irrigation system project. So here we can see that we have given an input to the analog moisture sensor in such a way that it senses the input and gives the decisions to the MSP430, and the MSP430 decides whether to make the motor on or off, so switch on or switch off. So we have taken the first case of placing the inputs in the dry soil, and when we switch on the power supply for this project, we can see what's going to happen. See, so this shows that the motor is running. This means that the moisture sensor has given the input, the data to the MSP430 to decide whether the motor has to switch on or switch off, and the motor in the MSP430 as per its threshold values of 50% moisture has decided that the motor has to switch on. And let's see what happens when some water is poured into the dry soil. So here we can observe that when some moisture has increased in the soil above 50%, the moisture sensor has sensed the value above 50% and has given the data to the MSP430 to make the motor switch off. And this is how our irrigation project works. In irrigation system, the temperature sensor also plays a very important role. So this is the temperature sensor, and this sensor, when this sensor senses a value greater than 45 degrees, it glows, it sends the message to this, it passes the current to this LED and sends an input to the microcontroller and gives the essential data of the temperature for it to process. So for a variation of temperature, let us see what happens when the power supply is given to the system without any temperature variation. We can see that the power supply is given to the system, and there's no LED glowing over here. which tells us that there's no variation in the temperature. So this shows the variation in the temperature, and when this shows, and we can see here that the LED is glowing, and when this variation in the temperature is taken back, and we can see that the LED goes off. Hence this shows us the functioning of the temperature sensor in the system.